Okay, welcome to the podium. Today's topic is adjective and what it means. So right now I'm going to start. This is an empty screen with a little elaboration you see. And then starting from the first program, here is the first program actually. So we have some words popping in here and some graphics absolutely. With Microsoft Word and then the Brazilian software, perhaps. Then the next is completely an empty screen depending on how you can solve. And then we go to the next, which is Google, and here is a Facebook representing the laboratory students of Istanbul as we look forward to developing what we have here, which is just anything you see. So let's go to the next one, which is an abbreviation of anything you see also. We go to the next one. It depends on what you love here. And we go to the next one. It depends on whatever, blah, 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 and stuff. I can notice this because I'm not focusing so fast, but we need to move forward. So here I gotta give you a stop, okay, because I feel I'm going too fast. So here is just a complete diagram of what you mean by this topic. Well, I wouldn't want to glance through the second time. It's pretty much intelligent for me to be careful at this time. It's just like when the aircraft is landing, perhaps. And here we have the next probable format for creating lots of wires and stuff. And permit me actually, this is the next, which is Foxit Radar. It has different tabs for you to explore within there. And it's easy to find the icon. So here is a Microsoft Access, and we have the true pronunciation at this time. Come on, and here it's the left side of it. So this is a new one entirely. Okay, so what's next? Here it's also a complete notation, perhaps based on the computer studies, and the next is Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint. And forbid me to say some things because myself I'm just a lecturer, but I need the students coming in for help. So I'm doing this so fast. So it will lead me to one simple denotation about the adjective considering the landing of the stethoscope. So here I'm doing this with the help of the lens and that stapler. So what do you say about that? Give me a minute. Where is the photo? Okay. So where's the photo? I will check the laboratory students to see what they have to say concerning this condition. Here we're using this format, first to come, first to serve. World Medical Laboratory. Then look at the picture here. I'm going to reduce it so it could fit into the screen. So what we have here is their own company and their creation. So whatever they say it is, that would be. But you see, there's an adage that says when a scorpion embarks on a journey, he does not ask for direction, so his enemies wouldn't know which way he's going. So at this point in time, I will be able to say that this is just graphics. So adjective means graphics. Thank you very much.